Scientific miracle number 4 that proves that Islam is the truth. Verse 22, chapter Al-Hijr, gave us the following news 14 centuries ago, when the importance and meanings of fecundating was not known yet. Verse 22 in chapter Al-Hijr in the Holy Quran says, "And we send the fecundating winds." Yes, this phrase clearly states that winds has fecundating property. In the last century, scientists discovered that winds have fecundating property as follows. There are male and female elements of all the plants. Fruits occur when a male element fecundates the female. This fecundation takes place thanks to wind. Allah created the seeds of many plants so light to fly in the presence of even a very light breeze. Pollens, dusts, and seeds of innumerable plants pieces are carried from one plant to another through winds. Thus, the plants we reproduce through fecundation and their generations are ensured to continue. That is, plants reproduces thanks to fecundating property of winds. A part of fecundating plants, winds also fecundate rain clouds to make rain fall down. Until recent times, it was thought that the only relationship between wind and rain was that wind dragged rain clouds. Yes, it was something that can be seen by anyone who watched the movements of the clouds. However, the relationship between wind and rain was not only these air bubbles called aerosols, form on the surface of the seas and the other waters. Due to foaming, they mix with dust that winds drag from the land and fly towards the upper layers of the atmosphere. These particles raised by winds combine with water vapor, and the water vapor condenses around these particles. If it were not of these particles, 100% water vapor could not form clouds. Clouds form when winds fecundate the free water vapor in the air with the particles they carry. After these explanations of science and scientists that they discovered only last century, let us analyze the issue and find answers to the following question. Question 1. When did scientists discover that winds has a fecundating property? Answer. Scientists discovered this only last century. Question 2. Is it possible for Prophet Muhammad, who couldn't read or write, to discover this fact 14 centuries ago by his own? That was only discovered last century? Answer. Impossible. This book is the book of Allah, with no partners with him, who is the knower of all unseen and unknown things. Yes, this book belongs to Allah, who created winds and gave them the duty of fecundating. Everything within this book, the Holy Quran, belongs to Allah. We believe in him and we accept it. Allah is one with no partners with him, and Prophet Muhammad is his messengers and beloved slaves.